Did you know that some doctors keep secret stashes of natural remedies in their own homes? That's right, it's not just pharmaceutical magic behind their healing powers. These nature-powered solutions have roots tracing back centuries, yet modern science validates their efficacy. Let's dive into 7 of these lesser-known but doctor-recommended DIY remedies. First, honey and cinnamon. A sweet duo you might find in your pantry. But did you know these ingredients are potent partners in combating the common cold and soothing sore throats? Honey is a natural antibacterial agent, and cinnamon boasts powerful anti-inflammatory properties. But here's the magic. When combined, they can enhance your immune response. Try it the next time a cold strikes and see if it shortens your symptoms. Now, let's discuss turmeric and black pepper. Have you ever wondered why turmeric supplements often include black pepper extract? Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. However, our bodies struggle to absorb it efficiently on its own. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. This combo is recommended by some physicians for joint pain and muscle soreness relief. Moving on, have you ever used ginger for more than just spicing up your meal? Ginger root is famous for easing indigestion and nausea, yet its more astonishing ability lies in its profound impact on inflammation. It's a low-key powerhouse against muscle pain and chronic inflammation conditions, often recommended alongside other treatments. Give it a shot after your next exercise session to see if it relieves that muscle stiffness. Next up is garlic, not just for vampire deterrence. Breakable. Garlic has a secret life beyond culinary uses. It's a staple in preventative heart health. Rich in allicin, it's suggested by some health experts to help reduce blood pressure and regulate cholesterol levels. But the real intrigue? Allicin is most potent when raw, chopped, or crushed, perfect for a fresh salad dressing. Let's talk about aloe vera. While aloe is widely recognized for sunburn relief, it offers even more benefits that might surprise you. Doctors sometimes use aloe vera gel to soothe chronic skin conditions such as eczema or psoriasis. Its natural moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties can provide soothing relief for persistent irritation. It's an easy remedy to make at home, no sunlight needed. Apple cider vinegar might be your secret weapon against stubborn digestive issues. It's a go-to for some practitioners who recommend it diluted in water for heartburn relief. The acetic acid in the vinegar not only balances the pH, but also aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. Have you tried incorporating it as a pre-meal tonic? Lastly, consider peppermint, a fragrant herb that's more than just a holiday flavor. Peppermint oil is praised for its ability to ease tension headaches and digestive discomfort. Its menthol content offers a soothing sensation that can provide immediate relief via inhalation or topical application. Peppermint might be that hidden gem in your wellness toolkit you've been overlooking. Each of these remedies is like a piece of nature's pharmacy, worth exploring the next time you reach for a cure. Namor. Intrigued to know more hidden benefits? There might be more than meets the eye within your spice rack or garden. What will you discover next in your natural remedy journey?